Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting, so your wallet doesn't have to. Today, we've got a showdown between two robotic warriors in the vacuuming arena. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba 694, and on the right, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. Who will suck more? Dust, that is. And who will mop the floor with the competition? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. Roomba 694 comes in at $274. Just a bit more than a premium dinner for two. Kilgone Combo, on the other hand, is priced at $267. So if you've got a whole $7 burning a hole in your pocket, you might want to go for a latte instead. But hey, every cent counts. In this category, Kilgone Combo wins by a whisker, or should I say, by a dust bunny. Now, let's dive into design. The Roomba 694 boasts a sleek, premium look that screams, "I belong in a modern art museum." It's practically the James Bond of vacuums. Kilgone Combo, meanwhile, is the Swiss Army knife of floor cleaners, vacuuming and mopping in one. If Roomba is James Bond, Kilgone is Inspector Gadget. Both have their charm, but it's a tie here. Who doesn't love a little bit of spy action and gadgetry? Next up, cleaning performance. Roomba 694 has an auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts to carpets and hard floors like a chameleon at a paint store. Meanwhile, Kilgone Combo brings the big guns with its tangle-free large suction nozzle and a 230 milliliters water tank for mopping. It's like having a vacuum and a mop in one. Talk about multitasking. Reviewers of the Roomba 694 appreciate its convenience, especially pet owners, but note it can be noisy and struggle with certain obstacles. Kilgone's users love its quiet operation and powerful suction, even in grout lines. If Roomba is a cleaning wizard, Kilgone is a cleaning superhero. This round goes to Kilgone. Let's talk smarts. The Roomba 694 comes with adaptive navigation and a suite of sensors that make it as sharp as a contestant on Jeopardy! It avoids cliffs and navigates around furniture like a pro. Kilgone Combo, on the other hand, has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you can control it via the 2YA app. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Roomba might be smart, but Kilgone is practically a genius. Reviewers praise Roomba's ease of use and effective cleaning, but Kilgone's users rave about its scheduling features and app control. Another point for Kilgone. Battery life is next on our list. Roomba 694 runs for up to 90 minutes before it needs a nap on its charging dock. Kilgone Combo, however, boasts a 100-minute runtime and can cover up to 1,290 square feet. That's like running a marathon while vacuuming. Reviewers of the Roomba 694 find it generally adequate but note some limitations in larger homes. Kilgone users appreciate the extended battery life and coverage area. Roomba, you tried, but Kilgone is the Energizer Bunny here. Kilgone takes the cake. Again. Finally, obstacle avoidance. Roomba 694 has sensors to navigate like a ninja, avoiding cliffs and furniture with ease. Kilgone Combo, with its 360-degree sensor array and ultra-thin design, is like a tiny robot ninja that can even clean under your couch. Picture it doing parkour while vacuuming. Reviewers of the Roomba 694 appreciate its navigation capabilities, but note occasional issues with small objects. Kilgone's users are impressed with its ability to navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles. Kilgone wins this round with style points. Overall, reviewers find the Roomba 694 to be a convenient and effective cleaning tool, especially for pet owners, though it has some minor drawbacks like noise and difficulty with certain obstacles. On the other hand, Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo receives high praise for its powerful suction, quiet operation, and versatile features, making it a strong contender in the robotic vacuum market. So there you have it, Roomba 694 versus Kilgone Combo. While the Roomba 694 is a solid choice with its sleek design and smart navigation, Kilgone Combo takes the crown today with its vacuum and mop combo, longer battery life, and superior smart features. It's like choosing between a really good burger and a gourmet meal. Both are great, but one gives you a little extra flair. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, may your floors be ever clean.